Alexander James American Monologue. If there's one thing I've learned from my years of being a kid, it's that you have zero control over your own life. People say you can pick your friends, but you're stuck with your family. And I have to agree. I mean, just because you have the exact same last name as someone doesn't mean you have anything else in common. For example, my mom thinks video games are a complete waste of time. She wants me to do healthy things this summer, like play outside and read books. It's the worst. The only thing I have in common with my parents is that we're all glad I didn't turn out like my older brother, Roderick. I like my family and all. I'm just not sure we're meant to live together. Maybe things will be better one day when we all have our own places and see each other on holidays. But right now, this combination of people is just not working.